Welcome back to the channel. So today I got my Honda S2000. If you guys didn't know, I got a Honda S2000. I know normally my videos are centered around my Honda CR-V, but I did pick up this Honda S2000. It's a 2000 Honda S2000 AP1. But let's just get right into it. Today I'm going to be changing out the headlight. So I got these side markers off of eBay. I got the clear side. And on top of that, I'm also going to be polishing them since I figure I'm going to be taking them off anyway, so I'm going to polish them. Yeah, let's get into it. I got to pull off the bumper first. And we pulled off all of the glue inside the housing as much as we could, and inside this channel and inside off the lens and everything that we could. So now we are going to, what are we going to do? We're going to pull off the amber lens right here and replace it with the clear lens. And I actually ended up finishing one headlight. Come on over here. Headlight. We actually ended up finishing it. Look, man, it looks awesome. Look at that. And no more amber, all clear. And yeah, it looks great. I'm in the middle of assembling this one, but I'm gonna finish assembling that one and then I'm gonna wrap up all of them. Before we drop the silicone in, we're gonna take out this ugly amber and replace it with the clear. So all you gotta do is you got these 3 screws right here, 1, 2, and 3. And this pops right off, and then we'll grab the clear and put it into this one instead, and then put it all back together and then drop the silicone into the back of the headlight. Here we are, it's day 3. We got the headlights still off, and here they are here. We got them sealed up and everything. And this one has always looked kind of good, but this driver's side one has always looked kind of hazy, a little yellow. This one is definitely going to be the one that I definitely want to make sure looks a little bit better. 800 grit, some 1500 and some 3000. Got some masking tape so I can mask off all the rubber areas. So I'm going to try and sand them down. I got some water here in a bucket right here. And hopefully I can start going on this. All right, y'all, just laid down my last coat for the night. Hopefully this turns out as good as I'm hoping it will in the morning. This one is looking a little hazier though compared to this one, but I think it was this headlight that was a little less clear than the original one compared to this one. So I'm hoping that this one is gonna be a little bit better than how it was previously. But man, these clear diffusers are looking nice. Man, I am so glad I switched it up compared to when I had the ambers, and I think it'll match the clear side markers really well. And I'm gonna put on the LED bulbs, and man, this car is gonna be back on the road. It just looks so weird with the bumper sitting on in the car like this, but not really much space in my garage. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the morning. All right, here we go, day 4. Headlights are pretty dry now to the touch. Definitely gonna go over this with a 3000 grit and let's see them come out nice and clear, hopefully, after this. Also, it's the next day, and man, I cannot believe it. It looks so good during the day. But yeah, let's get the B-roll going.